ice cream without a Vitamix. I've made this with a Vitamix and it's super simple, but I'm here in Germany and I did not bring my Vitamix. Duh. The family I'm living with has one of these mixers. I've seen them on YouTube, but I've never used it. So I thought it would be fun to try it out today. Oh no, is there not even a plug right here? I'll make it work. But anyway, this is what it is. I can't say the name. Zaberstab. Forgot to close the windows. I'm really hungry, so let's get right into this. I'm gonna grab my frozen bananas that, oh, darn it, I forgot to take them out of the freezer. You usually wanna do that about 30 minutes before making it, just so they thaw a little bit, make it easier to blend, but I'm up for the challenge. And I just cut them up before freezing them. That is something that I don't understand why people don't do. I've seen people freeze the whole banana, and then when you wanna make banana ice cream or a smoothie, you have to peel it and cut it when it's frozen. I don't know, maybe there's a reason behind it, but I like to just do it beforehand. Another banana tip is make sure that they are completely ripe. I have 2 regular bananas here and these are not yet ripe enough. They need to be super spotty, and that is when they are the sweetest and the most nutritious. Step 1, get your pitcher or your container. I'm using a glass one. I really hope this is how I'm supposed to do it. Let's try this. Ugh. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is put the bananas in here, because I didn't even go over the ingredients. Ingredients is gonna be bananas and whatever you want on top. And I'm really hoping this is gonna work. It might be a huge fail, but we're trying. Okay, start off with about that much. For some reason I thought this was supposed to move. Maybe this isn't even a blender. Something out of this. Did I forgot to mention yesterday I went bouldering for the first time and my arms hurt so bad in my hand, and I'm having to like really hold this thing. I think we're getting somewhere, guys. I'm so excited. Switch sides. This is the wrong tool. I should have just brought my Vitamix. So you're gonna wanna grab a spoon, grab your little mixture. Or making this in my Vitamix, I would have a lot more, but you know, strength. This is some pretty sad banana ice cream. I'm not gonna lie. Doesn't compare to the Vitamix or just a blender in general. No, no, no. Not one bit. Now you're gonna wanna grab your toppings. I am going to have banana, blueberries, and honey. Ooh, peanut butter. No, I don't want peanut butter. I'll figure it out. This is the most basic, plain banana ice cream recipe I could probably come up with, but I'm just doing what I like, and I just like it. Plain Jane, baby. You can get fancy with it. I mean, this isn't really a recipe video. This is just me making some banana ice cream and failing majorly. That's okay. It's still gonna taste semi-good. No, it's still gonna taste pretty amazing because just frozen banana in general is so yummy. If you guys are wondering how long you should freeze them for, I do it well overnight. Like definitely at least overnight. More than that, like 24 hours for sure. I really recommend just going and getting like a $30 blender from Target. And there you have it, guys. Banana ice cream with brie. This video is complete. If you guys would like to see more cooking videos like this, let me know in the comments below. I would love to film them for you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links are going to be in the description below. There's not really measurements for this recipe. I literally just took some bananas, took some toppings, done. Nothing fancy. I didn't even taste it. Let's do a taste test together, guys. Yeah. It's exactly what I wanted, cold banana. I'd say it's a go. Have a good day, guys, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Another banana. Wait. What to do this in. Next thing is, oh, what the fuck? What is this even doing? And also, let's plug. Whoa!